Như từng ngọc nè chỉ tí group nâng chỉ tí rồi bạn nơi ngày này miền clear mùi đại kỳ như vậy ta a mistake that make you humble is better than an achievement that makes you arrogant สนุสุธาท้าในขนมคลำสานั้นคือเมียนอัดทันในอย่างนะไอ้สายวิดีโอนี้คือสำหรับบางคนทั้งออกนี่เดี๋ยวตรงตัวนึงการเปรียบเทียบระหว่างเปียทำ mistake ให้หนึ่ง achievement โอเค here we go ภาษาจีนทำไมเราที่เราบางคนจะตีกรบนั่งจะตีรบานไอ้ในไงนี้คือฉลาดตอบตัวนึงสมรู้ได้ช่วงบานตีจอมจูนประเทศบอดนึงดูเกเอานิยมในท่าa mistake that you make humble is better than achievement that you make arrogant ในขนมในนั้นคือถ้าเปรียบ mistake คือจะกำหอกของผมนะกำหอกวิอาจធ្វើឲ្យយើងមានសភាពមួយស្ងប់ស្ងាត់បាទកំហុសអញ្ចឹងបានគេដាក់ថា a mistake that make you humble is better មានន័យថាវាប្រសើរជាង achievement វាថា achievement មានន័យថាការទទួលបានជោគជ័យទៅលើអ្វីមួយបងប្អូនណាការទទួលបានជោគជ័យទៅលើអ្វីមួយគេហៅថាជា achievement ហើយនៅពេលដែលមនុស្សទទួលបាននៅភាពជោគជ័យអ្វីមួយគាត់អាចនឹងមានសភាពមួយគេហៅថា achievement that make you arrogant តែធ្វើឲ្យអ្នកមានសភាពមួយកអើតកតូមបាទអញ្ចឹងដែលគេហៅថាខ្មែរយើងដែលហៅថាចង់និយាយថាប្រែចរិតបងប្អូនណាប្រែចរិតហើយដូចទៅហៅថាពីមុនធ្លាប់ក្រអីចឹងទៅអត់សូវអីទេធ្លាប់ហេមហាមអីមានន័យថាសកម្មភាពគាត់ឬគឺ humble មែនទេតែក្រោយអំពីការទទួលបានជោគជ័យនៅពេលដែល get achievement ហ្នឹងគាត់ធ្វើឲ្យគាត់ហ្នឹងមានគេហៅថាគំនិតមួយឬក៏អត្តចរិតមួយ arrogant មានន័យថាកអើតកតូមបាទអញ្ចឹងវាចង់និយាយថាគេមិនស្មើបងប្អូនណាបាទអញ្ចឹងនៅក្នុងខ្លឹមសារដែលខ្ញុំលើកឡើងមកនៅពេលនេះទាក់ទងទៅនឹង a mistake that make you humble is better than the achievement that make you arrogant គឺខ្លឹមសាររបស់វាគឺមានតែប៉ុណ្្នឹងទេហើយបើសិនជាបងប្អូនមាននៅទស្សនៈនៅគំនិតណាមួយសូមធ្វើការ comment នៅខាងក្រោមវីដេអូនេះផងដែរអញ្ចឹងពីព្រោះថាដែលខ្ញុំលើកឡើងនេះវាជា quote ឬក៏ជា clear មួយដែលល្អសម្រាប់បងប្អូនធ្វើការពិចារណាអញ្ចឹងខ្ញុំមានតែប៉ុណ្្នឹងទេទាក់ទងទៅនឹងពាក្យថា a mistake that make you humble is better than achievement that make you arrogant សូមបញ្ចប់តែប៉ុណ្ណេះ see you next video bye bye